In a significant move, the RBI has brought back 100 tons of gold from London. It's a part of India's gold reserve, which the country had pledged to obtain an IMF loan. India was facing a balance payment crisis in 1991. India's forex reserves had depleted significantly, and it had only a few weeks of forex reserves left to pay for essential imports. So the gold was pledged to obtain the loan to tide over the crisis. This move to pledge the gold had created a huge furor back in 1991. But beyond the numbers, the move also has a huge symbolical significance for the country, as it marks a change in the economic fortune. Since pledging its gold, India's economy has undergone a significant change. From only a few $1 billion in its kitty in 1991, the forex reserve is more than $600 billion. India is also one of the fastest growing economies today and is projected to become the third largest economy, as Prime Minister Modi has vowed to make India a $5 trillion economy after he gets his third term. But credit must also be given to Narasimha Rao government for ushering in the economic reforms and opening up of the economy in 1991, changing the entire dynamics. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what this means and the significance of it. Pragya, this seems like a small move, but it's a very, very significant move as RBI brings back 100 tons of gold that was in London.
Well, this is also a validation for the Modi government policies, economic policies, and I would say that this is a sort of achievement that India was also waiting for. What it means is that we are confident in ourselves. The gold that we have is now we are bringing it back. It's a safe haven metal that we are emotionally attached, but it is also it shows that we have confidence in our economic policies and in our economic system. We used to store gold outside, and many of the central banks do that, and for majority of them, Bank of England had been one of the storage houses. RBI used to pay fee annually to those banks wherever they store the gold outside the country. Now, in 1990, a lot of gold had been taken out of the country because of the economic crisis, and it was stored in Bank of England, which is in London. Now the government has decided they take the stock taking measures in a routinely, a time to time matter, and this time they have decided to bring back 100 tons of gold back. It also shows that RBI money we don't need to pay, and we are very sure of our own storage facilities, and we'll do it in our own way. This also
huge symbolical significance that it has, the symbolism of it all, because it also marks a change in the economic fortunes of the country.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।